After 3, you say, cat came back, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you count.
1, 2, 3.
Cat, no. Jonathan, after 3 comes cat came back, okay?
Cat came back.
Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
1,
cat.
2, 3, 4.
After 3, I see, look, Jonathan, I'm going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, okay? And then after 3, no, wait, stop. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. The cat came back, okay?
1, 2, 3.
No, you don't go to 4. There is no 4, no 5, no. It goes 1, 2, 3, cat came back, okay?
Cat came back. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. Ladies and gentlemen, all this bickering is so ridiculous. Have we ever disappointed you? We climb out of bed with a bully and start laying our lay boy. I sure and yell my God, and I bet that I put dinner to. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dreamed of, dreams really do come true. Their eyes popped up, and then the smiles went like totally up. And the teacher said since it's my first day, I had a lot to say. Usually kids that on their first day to hospital, they don't actually know what to wish them or stuff. But I always had something to say.
And within Next Aid, Jonathan created his own project called Kids for Kenya, which directly benefits the Karangawi Vision Center.
In the beginning of summer, I went on a trip to Africa, and we went to Kenya. We arrived in Nairobi, and we went to an orphanage, and then we went to the organization that I support, and that was really great, meeting all the kids. You don't really understand how much they appreciate every little thing that you do.
And then...
It started raining gumballs.
Raining gumballs?
Why not? It's a bedtime story. Anything can happen.
Let's go ahead. Right. And while you were doing that, quietly, a little history about Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day was a massacre in Chicago where they shot everybody and put a curse on the Chicago Cubs. Whoa. The year I was born, there was a $236 billion surplus. Then the Republicans took over and spent $580 billion on the war and $70 billion every year on tax cuts for rich people. And now the surplus is gone, and we have to borrow more than $1 billion every day.
First place goes to you, Jonathan Morgan Heit.